Hey y'all, and welcome back to Mama's Money Mondays. Today's video is going to be a weekly budget breakdown and cash stuffing. The video is already recorded. I'm just here to record my intro. I'm talking a little low because I just put my baby down for a nap and I don't want to wake her up. You know how it goes. So, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is TD. I am a new mom and I am on a debt-free journey. If you guys love all things budgeting, cash envelope stuffing, paying off debt, side hustling, then go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Your girl would love to have y'all join the family. So with that being said, let's just hop right into today's video. I actually miss being on here. I took the last week off from social media because I wanted, like, there's some things I've been praying about and I just wanted to take like a week off of social media to just have time with God and try to seek clarity on some things. And so it was like 3 different things I needed like answers on, but I only got clarity on one. So I guess I need 2 more weeks, but we'll see. But anyway, yeah, so we're about to just hop into the video. So with Uber Eats, we made $254.83. With shipped, we made $304.42. And DoorDash, $75.31. So we're just going to add that up and see what we made for the week. So for this week's total, we have $634.56. So first thing we always do is take our 10% for tithes, and that will give us $63.45, but I always round up to the next dollar. So that's tithes going to get $64 this week. So the next thing we do is we take our total minus our tithes, and that's what's going to give us what's left to budget. So $570.56. Now, as you guys already know, my expenses for every week is my total expenses for the month divided by 4, since I get paid every week, and that number equals $341. And so we're going to take our $570.56 minus $341. It's $229.56. But we're going to just leave it at the $229 because I don't like to deal with change. I mean, you can't really put change in cash envelopes, so $229 left for cash envelopes, debt, and sinking funds. So our first cash envelope is gas. Let me turn this. Then we have baby, food, and spending. Yeah, we're gonna give gas another $100. And so $229 minus 100 gives us $129 left to budget. So baby, I think she still has money left over. Hold on, y'all, let me check. Okay, guys, so what I decided to do was I just went ahead and emptied out all my envelopes. I had some extra money in baby, food, and spending. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that extra money and I'll use that rollover to put into sinking funds. So for baby this week, I'll go ahead and give her 20. So that leaves us with $109 left to budget. Food, I'm gonna do another 20 and see how that does. That leaves 89. And then spending, I think same thing, $20. Yeah, $20 should work. If not, I'm gonna make it work. And so that leaves $69 left for debt and sinking funds. So debt, I'm gonna go ahead and put another 30 on this credit card. And so that leaves us with $39, and we finally get to stuff our sinking funds. Okay, so the first one is apartment. Y'all, it's been so long since I stuffed my sinking funds, I don't even remember where they are. So let's see, we had $39 left. Apartment is gonna get 15 for apartment. That leaves us with 24. Car is gonna get 5. Christmas is gonna get that leaves us with 9. And then my Christmas photo shoot will get that last 9. And then I also have this rollover money from last week. So let's see what we have. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I have an extra $23. So let's see. Apartment's gonna get 5. Christmas is gonna get an extra 5. Christmas photo shoot is gonna get another 5 in there. That leaves me with $8 left. So you can go ahead and you can do car another bonus 5. That leaves me with $3 left. Oh, boom! I'll just put 1, 1, and 1. That way each envelope gets something. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna total up everything. So that's 100, 20, 40, 60 for cash envelopes. 30 for my credit card, but that's going to stay in the bank. And then my sinking funds, $39 here. Okay, so we take out tithes from the ATM. We take out cash envelopes from the ATM, and we take out sinking funds from the ATM. So our total to withdraw is going to be 64 plus 160 plus 39. That gives us $263 to withdraw. All right, so I'm gonna go to the ATM and then I will be right back. Oh wait, I just remembered. It's early in the day. The bank is still open, so I get to go in the bank and make like actual bills. So let me get my pencil for this. So I have my little bill breakdown sheet. And so let's see. Tithes is gonna be, that's a 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cash envelopes, gas is going to be in 20s, so that's going to be 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 20s. Baby can get a full 20, food can get a full 20, and spending can get a full 20. I'm fine with that. And then sinking funds, apartment will be a 10 and a 5. Car will be a 5. Christmas will be a 10. And then Christmas photo shoot will be a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we already have the cash for the other things. So we're just going to total this up. So 50. 10 times 3 is 30. 5 times 3 is 15. And 1 times 5, 6, 7, 8 is 8. And so we're going to add these amounts up and make sure that it equals to our 263. All right, so I'm just going to change these tally marks into actual numbers because I don't want to confuse the banker. And yeah, so I'll get the cash and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so we're back from the bank. I have my cash here. I'm going to organize this and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so we have our cash, we have our envelopes, so let's get started. So first things first, we're going to take out $64 for tithes. That gets 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, first cash envelope is gas and we get $100. So gas gets 20, 40, 60, 80, 1 for gas. Next we have baby. Baby gets 20. Next we have food. Food gets 20. And then we have spending gets 20. All right. And so next we're going to do our sinking funds. Okay, so apartment gets 15 plus 5, so that would be 20 total for apartment. So I'm just going to do 10, 15, and 20. Next we have a new car gets 10. So we're going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 for new car. Next we have car maintenance gets $1. Next we have Christmas gets 15. So that's 10, 15 for Christmas. And if y'all want to see like a envelope unstuffing for like my sinking funds and seeing like where I'm at with my balance and stuff, then y'all just let me know down in the comments. But I do want to see like exactly where I'm at so far. And I think I'm going to have to do a bill exchange soon. Next we have Christmas photo shoot gets 14 total. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And that's why I need to do a bill exchange, because a lot of my envelopes have a lot of ones and I need to like condense them down. So, and then next we have business gets $1. And my treat yourself gets $1. So yeah. So there you have it, guys. We did our budget breakdown and we just finished cash stuffing our envelopes for the week. As promised, in my last video, I told y'all that I was working on something very, very exciting. And good news, I finished it, but I'm going to make a separate video for that. So I can't wait to show y'all exactly what it is. I'm so excited. Okay, so reel it back in. But anyway, that'll be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like to see more videos like this, make sure you thumbs up the video. Again, thank you guys to everyone who's subscribed to my channel, who watches my videos, who likes and comments. I really appreciate it. I promise it does not go unnoticed. And I hope you guys have a very prosperous and productive week. And I will see y'all next time on Mama's Money Mondays. Bye, y'all.